In this episode, a gentle dawn unfolds over a quiet balcony where birds hush as distant synths drift in. Soft lo-fi textures and whispered rain blend with the rhythm of breathing, guiding the mind toward a slow, steady pulse. A cafe journal scene appears by a window where pen strokes melt into wind and mellow chords. As the day fades, a harbor at sunset rises, waves sinking with distant keys for a tranquil farewell. Listeners are invited to press pause and let the calm linger, a gentle doorway into rest and clarity.